If you manage different teams, businesses, or side projects and need separate rules and training data for each mailbox, this video will show you how to do that. Snoooz supports the concept of workspaces that allow you separate your rules, templates, categories, labels, and data sources for different teams, brands, or clients, but still keep them all under one Snoooz account. Each workspace is completely isolated, so training data and rules from one workspace won't affect another. To create a new workspace, go to the Workspaces section on the left sidebar. If you don't see this option, you may not have admin access. You'll notice that Snoooz already created one workspace for you. It's called Default. If you want to rename it, simply click the pencil icon next to the workspace name. To create a new workspace, click on Add New Space and give it a name. Your new workspace will be created and ready to be customized with its own rules, training data, and templates. The next step is assigning workspaces to mailboxes. Go to Users and Inboxes. Find a mailbox you want to assign. Next to the mailbox, select the workspace from the dropdown. Once assigned, Snoooz will automatically use the rules, templates, and training data from that workspace when responding to emails received in that mailbox. This makes it easy to manage multiple brands, teams, or clients, all from a single Snoooz account.